Hi, how you doing? I am going to build a stunning staircase in this gigantic barn. Construction Master 5 in action, doing some staircase math. Check it out, anybody can do this. Okay, we're checking our stair stringer to make sure we have the correct rise and run. Looking good. Okay, we're ready to go. Time to demo. Okay, I'm marking out stringer number 2. I highly recommend making a pattern like I did here and not using a framing square and marking out each individual stair stringer by itself because they will not all be the same. Please take my word for it. This mezzanine staircase build and mezzanine railing took roughly 2 weeks to complete. This video is 15 minutes long. So obviously there's some things missing out of this video. But yeah, if you ever would like to build a staircase of this quality, just plan on it being way more work than you think. It always works out like that. Stair stringer number 2 completed. Okay, let's set stair stringer number 2 to the side. I'm installing the stair stringer pattern on top of stringer number 3. Let's get her done. Okay, we got the stair stringers complete. Time to install. This is a good how to build stairs video if you pay attention. In a minute here, I'm going to check the staircase stringers with a level and make sure all the stair stringers playing in correctly. And as you will see in a minute, they are looking nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, let's get some risers and treads on. She's coming together.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Well, your heart is the sun, and it shines as it opens.
Yeah, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Well, your heart is the sun, and it shines as it opens.
Yeah, your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Well, your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Yeah, your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Well, your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Say,
inside?
why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Your
inside?
mind is a space that creates your horizon.
Well, your mind is a space that creates the horizon.
Your mind is a space that creates your horizon.
Well, your mind is a space that creates the horizon.
Say, why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why
inside?
would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why
inside?
would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why would you
inside?
look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
You know, you can feel it when you look inside. You know, you can feel it, and it's no surprise. Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why would
inside?
you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Said,
inside?
why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why
inside?
would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside? Inside, all of the world inside.
watching. God bless.